kids? Since for 3 days? What you did? We completed from the worksheet. On yesterday's worksheet, what we completed? A number which come after and before to the given number we learned in yesterday's worksheet. In today's class, we will learn how to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay? What do you mean by ascending order and what do you mean by descending order, and how to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order? Step by step we will learn in this class. Okay? At first, I will teach you what do you mean by ascending order with the help of steps. Okay? Here I will draw. This is nothing but climbing the steps. Okay? Steps. Here steps which show the numbers. Numbers are increasing. Okay? This is the small step. Now the step increases still more. At last it reaches to number 6. Yes, no? While we climbing the steps, first we climb the smaller. Means first step at first. Next we will keep our steps to second. Then we will step for third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like this. Is that it, children? How we will climb? From smaller to bigger, then bigger, still more bigger, like this. From smallest steps to bigger step we will climb. Yes, no? With the help of one of the boy, I will teach you what you mean by ascending order. This boy wants to climb the steps. Okay? While he wants to climb the steps, he has to put his step at first. Okay? On the first step. Next he has to go for number 2. Next 3. Next to fourth step, fifth step. At last he will reach to the number 6th step. Okay? From first smaller number, still more bigger, still more bigger. Like this, the numbers are increasing here. Yes, no, children? The numbers are increasing from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. Like this. Isn't it? For this arrangement, arranging the numbers from smaller to bigger. Okay? The numbers are increasing here. Like this. From 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Like this. The numbers are increasing here. This arrangement, we call them as a ascending order. Okay? What do you mean by ascending order, children? Arranging the numbers from smallest to biggest. Yes, no? This is the smallest number. We are arranging the numbers from smaller to bigger, still more bigger, like this. So this type of arrangement we call as ascending. Means climbing the steps is nothing but ascending order. The spelling of ascending, A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Ascending order. Okay? Here the numbers are increasing from smallest to the biggest one. This is which order? The arrangement of the numbers from smallest to biggest is nothing but the ascending order. A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Ascending order. And what do you mean by descending order, children? The numbers from biggest to smallest. Opposite to ascending is nothing but the descending. Means down the steps. Here we already climbed the step. Now what we have to do? We had to come down from top to bottom. Okay? Here we are coming from 6 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, and last 3 to 1. We are coming down to the steps. This is nothing but what? This is nothing but the descending order. Okay? D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Descending order means arranging the numbers from bigger place. Here bigger place to small place is nothing but the descending order. You got what do you mean by ascending order and descending order? With some of the example, we will learn how to arrange that certain numbers in a ascending and descending order. Okay, children? Now we open your notebook and copy down the numbers from the board. See children, here I wrote all the numbers. These are numbers. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order at first and descending order. Once again, I am going to ask you what do you mean by ascending order? Arranging the numbers from smaller to bigger is nothing but ascending. And what do you mean by descending? Arranging the numbers from bigger value to the small is nothing but descending order. Okay? Let us start with the first number here. We are having starting single digit number. Means one digit numbers we are having. Which are the numbers we are having? 0, 3, 2. These are the three numbers we are having. We have to arrange in an ascending order. Ascending means at first we have to write smaller, then bigger and still more bigger. In these three numbers, which is the very smallest one, smallest number is 0 here. So we will write 0 as the smallest. We will leave this number. Why? Because we already wrote. We will leave this. Moving to the next two numbers, 3 and 2. Which is the smallest one? Number 2 is the smallest. So write down 2 here. And the last remaining is 3. We will copy. Okay children? This is nothing but ascending order. While in a descending order, this is totally opposite of ascending. We have to write the bigger number at first, then at last we have to write the smallest number. In these three numbers, which is the biggest number? 3 is the biggest. Yes, no? We will write number 3 at first. Next, we will leave this 3. We are having number 0 and 2. Which is the biggest one? Number 2 is the bigger one. And the last, 0. This is totally opposite to ascending. Here 0 is the first, here 0 is the last, 2 is in between, 3 is the last number and 3 is the first number. We may write opposite to this one. Moving to the second number, here we are having how many? 2 digit numbers. While in a 2 digit, first we have to compare which place? Tens place. We are having 1 in the place of tens. Yes, no? We are having number 1 in the place of tens. So what we have to do? We have to compare the next place. Next means ones place. We are having number 9, 4, 6. Which is the smallest one here? In this 3 number, which is the smallest? Number 14 is the small. Yes, no? We will write 14. We will leave this one. Next, 6 and 9. Which is the smallest one? Number 16. And the last is 19. So write a 19 here. Descending means opposite to this one. We will write this last number as the first here. 19 as the biggest. Next we will write 16. And the last we will write it as 14. Okay? It's too easy. First we will arrange from smallest to biggest. Now opposite to this we will write bigger as first and smallest as last. Next we are having 2 digit number itself. We will complete the first place. Means tens place. We are having different number. 3 and 2 we are having but where we are having number 2 for 2 numbers. Here 25 and 27. So what we have to do? We have to compare the next place. Ones place. Which is the smaller number in this one? 5 is the smallest. Write down 25. We will leave. So 27 is the bigger one. 3 and 2. In this both, which is the smallest number? Number 2 is the smallest. So write down 27. And the last, we will write it as 38. Okay? While in descending, we had to rearrange oppositely. Means this 38 at first we had to take. Okay? Next which number? 27 we had to write. At last we had to write 25. This is about 2 digit number. Okay children? Remaining one, this is you have to do it. Now I will teach you about 3 digit number. First we have to compare the bigger place, which which is the bigger place here? Hundreds place. 1, 7 and 5. In these three numbers, which is the smallest one? Number 1 is the smallest. So write down 100 at first. It completes now in this number 2. Sorry, 7 and 5. Which is the smaller one? Which number is the smallest number? Number 5 is the smallest. So we have to write it as a 500. And the remaining number is 700. We will write it as it is. Opposite to ascending is descending. So at first we will write 700. It is the biggest one. 500. And smallest one is 100. Okay, children? Now I will teach you, if we are having same number in the place of hundreds, what we have to do? We have to compare to the next. Means we have to compare the tens place. We are having different number in the tens place. So which is the smallest one? 4, 8, 6. Which is the smaller one? 4 is the smaller. So you will write 342. Okay. Next 8 and 6. In this both, which is the smallest one? 6 is the smaller one. Write on 367. At last, remaining with 9. 384. Okay. Now we will rearrange in a descending. Bigger number at first. Smaller. Still smaller. Okay. This is our descending order. One more example. If we are having same number in the place of hundreds and tens. See here. We are having same number in the place of hundreds as well as in the place of tens. So what we have to do? We have to compare to the last place, that is ones place. 5, 4, 9. Which is the smaller one? 4 is the smaller one. 964 is the smallest number in these three numbers. Next, 5 and 9, which is the smaller one? 5. So take down 965. And the last, 969. Okay, we will rearrange bigger number as first, smaller one, and the smallest is 964. These remaining 4, you have to copy it down in your notebook. Try to do it. Afterwards, pause the video and write the answer. You have to check your answer with these answers. See children, all the answers I already wrote, means I arranged these numbers in ascending and descending order. You have to pause the video and you have to check your answer with these answers. At first you have to copy down these all 10 numbers in your notebook. Afterwards, I will give you some of the homework questions in notebook. So you have to open your classwork and you have to copy down the remaining homework questions. And on Monday, we will start our textbook. This is our Marvel 2nd standard semester first textbook. So, if you are still not collected textbook, means you have to collect it from our school office. Okay children, you have to collect as soon as possible. Why? Because since from Monday we will start with our textbook. Now check it out. Afterwards open your classwork. See children, this is about homework. Classwork you have to copy it down from board. Homework: arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Here I wrote the numbers. This is ascending order and here I wrote descending order. This one page is not enough, so I used both the pages here. In these three numbers, which is the smallest one? We had to write at first. Number 5 is the smallest. And next 7 and 8, which is the smallest? Number 7. Now remaining with number 8, we had to write it. Now from bigger at first, 8 is the biggest one. We had to write 7 and last 5. Like this, we have to arrange the numbers from smaller to bigger in ascending and bigger to smaller in descending. Okay children, pause the video, copy down the homework questions and you have to send your homework copies same in the WhatsApp. Okay, bye.